Hello. Sorry, I did not keep my mic here. Students they progress personally while collectively they work together as a common goal. Okay, suppose A, B, C are working together, and A progress, B also progress, C also progress. So they progress individually, and they work for the common goal. They have some common goal together, and students are accountable to each other. Okay, and with appropriate direction. They know which direction they are supposed to travel, so they know their appropriate direction also. So with self management, so they will manage themselves and others also. Not only that, pupils learn to better understand and anticipate the difference. They know A, B, C, all these are different. We are all different from each other, and they know how to anticipate themselves also. Suppose A is too rude, they say it's okay. They just anticipate that. So pupils learn to better understand and anticipate difference. Okay, not only that, they recognize it themselves and others. They recognize themselves as well as others. And they were using it for their good purpose, right? The difference they are having now, suppose A is very good in report writing, they know the difference. I am not good at report writing. Yes, you are good at report writing. Let the work be assigned to A. So they use it as advantage. Right? A typical collaborative learning, what is a learning process? Okay, first one is so they organize. The group is well structured. Okay, who is going to do what? So they create a well structure among themselves and they organize the work. Say I am going to do this. She is doing that. He is doing that. So they are well organized. So this group is structured. So students organize their efforts between themselves. Okay, the group is what? Structured. This group is well structured group, right? So students source material to help them complete the activity. They try to find the material where they can use it and how to complete the activity. So students source material to help complete the activity. Okay, next is here the main thing is teacher is not going to monitor what the students are doing. So students are not monitored. Okay, when they want any help from the teacher, that time only the teacher helps. So the activity is not monitored, okay, by the teacher. Teacher is not going to monitor any activity here, but the teacher will help when the group requests for some help. If they want some help, they can ask the teacher, right? So during that time, the teacher helps the students. Otherwise, the activity is done by the students and teacher is not going to monitor. That is the main thing. Next is, what they do is, whether I am doing it perfectly or not, whether this work is completed or not, so they assess themselves. And also whether A is doing the work, B is doing the work, C is doing the work. So group performance also they are testing. So students assess their own, so the students assess their own individual and group performance. Okay, that is the main thing. Next is, means that whole group gets success, means individually they have done perfectly their work. So this students success depends upon the individual strength. How individually they are doing, what is the strength of the individual, that gives that whole group's strength. So success depends on individual strength. How the individual is having strength, how A is having strength, B is having strength, C is having strength. So this individual strength helps in their success. That is the main thing, right? Now we'll go to the cooperative learning. What is the main thing in cooperative learning? What we have seen is A, B, C are there, right? We have seen A is there, B is there, C is there, and all A, B, C, they are assigned one task. Okay, and they are supposed to finish the task. So what they do is, they understand that somebody is good at something, they assign work by themselves. Okay, some work is assigned, they decide, okay, this work I'll give it to A, this work is given to B, and this is C, like this. They assign work among themselves according to their individual strength, and they start doing the work. Okay, and then they organize among themselves so that the work is done properly, and they are accountable to each other, and then they assess how I am doing, how the group is doing. So they assess themselves and as well as the group performance, and the whole group strength depends upon the success depends upon individual strength. A is having strength, B is having C strength. So this individual strength total becomes the success of the group. So individual strength plays very important role. Okay, so this individual strength helps their group success to succeed. The group becomes successful, right? They successfully complete the project, we can say. Now, cooperative learning. Suppose, imagine that some drama is there, right? For that drama, actors are there. So somebody is acting, responsible for acting, and somebody is responsible to take the picture, right? And they have means in their work, or actually their roles and responsibilities are fixed. Okay, they have their own roles, right? These actors act. Okay, somebody is taking picture, and background music is there, and background some picture comes out. So it is that particular act, what is going on, accordingly the picture is displayed behind. So this all is different groups does the work, but they cooperate among themselves, right? So suppose the person is speaking or some sad scene is going on, the background music should be accordingly. So there should be a cooperation between, although they work as different parts, but they need a cooperation together, right? Collaborative is they work together. Here cooperation is each and group inside a small group, that totally they are working for some drama. Suppose in that somebody will be actor, so the actor and somebody will be playing the music, and some background has to be displayed, somebody is taking care of the background. So these three activities should be cooperative. Cooperation should be done in cooperation, so that the drama comes out very nicely. Okay, if there is not cooperation, means there is a sad scene going on and background music says it's very cheerful, right? There is a lot of confusion, hodgepodge should not be there. This is known as the cooperative learning. So this type of thing is arranged here. Teacher, the external takes drama means some external XYZ, he says that yes, it is done properly, it is not done properly. So when somebody is monitoring, here teacher is monitoring, right? Previously teacher is not playing any role, here teacher is playing the role, right? That is the difference between cooperative and collaborative. I can call it as like the cast and crew, okay, of a theater production. So if you see the theater production, somebody is cast and somebody is a crew. Okay, cooperation involves interdependence. Okay, A is dependent upon B, B is dependent upon C, C is dependent upon D. So their